Alright, been having this issue for about 3 weeks now. Misfires, c24, c25, c26, c27 codes, FI light on, and a bunch of misfires coming out. Starts with one, goes to many. Trying to figure it out. Replaced ignition sticks, ECU, replaced a little bit of everything. Replaced spark plugs. The only thing that remedied it for about a day was checking the gap on the crank sensor. It only helped it for about a day, and then it went out again. So here we go. Let it idle for a second. And that's what it does for the last 3 weeks. Help me if you can.